Hi everyone, we would like to share with you some updates about the so-called 100% win trading strategy we are testing. We are still putting the second part together, but we wanted to share with you some updates about our progress before sharing the second part of the video soon. This entire strategy has been explained in the first part of the video, which should be appearing on the screen now. The strategy has been purchased from a so-called trading guru with the intention of testing it independently. We have added some twists and little changes to make it more profitable. These updates will be shared and tested with you in the second part of the video, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell icon to be able to receive an update as soon as we release the video. Other than that, we are working on a brand new website where we will offer some free tools and content to help you in your trading journey and will be a direct platform to communicate and share trading and financial investment related knowledge among our community. Again, feel free to test a strategy in your demo account as we still don't endorse it yet. And don't hesitate to share with us your opinion in the comments section and a thumbs up to help the channel grow and motivate us to make more content in future. Happy trading!
Wait, we have got a little surprise for you guys. As per your request, we are going to start a new YouTube series where we grow a small Forex account together. We are not sure of the balance you want us to start with, so we created a poll on our Facebook group to get your opinion. If you are not in the group yet, feel free to join us by clicking on the link available in the description section. Thank you for watching and happy trading.